go ahead and make some turkey and vegetable soup. Some of the leftovers from our last cook, the spatchcock turkey. Alright, so we got a big pot, and we got some of our leftover turkey going in, bone and all. So we got our turkey in there. We're going to add some water, about a half gallon of water, and then we're going to get this up to a boil and add some vegetables at that point. The vegetables are going to cook faster. We want to get this hot and falling off the bone first. We're going to add about 3 tablespoons of Jolly Roger Luton Booty. It's got a great flavor. It's got the salt in it and a little bit of garlic. 1 teaspoon of black ground pepper, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. We're going to let this get up to a boil, and then we're going to add our vegetables. Alright, so we're up to a boil. We're going to add our potatoes first. Let those get in there for about 5 or 10 minutes. Soften them up. The other green veggies will cook way faster. Got some lentils we're going to add to it. Alright, we've been boiling for about 20 minutes. 10 minutes on the potatoes and 10 minutes on the turkey. Now we're going to add our veggies. We'll top it off with a little bit of water just so everything's covered. About another ¼ gallon. We've got some pre-cooked beef sausage laying around here too, so we're going to slice that up and throw it in. There's no real recipe here, guys. You can just kind of wing it, and it never really can turn out bad. Alright, we're going to add our sausage. Now that we got our sausage in there, we're going to let this come up to a rolling boil. And pretty much once it's at a rolling boil, we're going to let it cool off a bit and eat it. Alright, so it's ready to be turned off here. There we have it. Rolling boil. Simple dinner. Toast. A delicious vegetable sausage turkey soup. Some fruit. And a nice pina colada drink.